Hi, and welcome to the short video that explains the need for digital product management. I'm Catherine Ellis, a product manager with Clarity. As digital technologies dramatically reshape entire industries, almost all organizations are evolving to capture the benefits of these trends or simply keep up with the competition. Let's talk to Rita, the CEO of Hedmora Bank, and witness how she transforms the bank.
Hedmora is one of the world's largest banks and operates in 45 countries. Most of you would know that our entire industry is facing massive digital disruption. Customers are looking at low-touch and digital banking options on all products, from loan approvals to stock trading. Internally, we are always focused on optimizing cost, enabling data-driven decision-making, and offering personalized experiences to our customers.
What are some of the critical areas you plan to focus on to transform your business?
I have laid out the following charter for my organization to help us succeed in the digital world: delight customers by providing digital banking offerings, leverage AI and analytics to deliver business insights, innovate at scale to reduce operational expenses, and secure the internal and the customer ecosystem. I want to ensure that our future initiatives align with this charter. That is why the majority of the product development budget will be allocated to investments that align against these objectives.
What are some of the challenges you anticipate during this transformation?
We embarked on a transformation a year ago, and honestly, instead of disrupting competition, we just disrupted our own business. I started looking around for some data around business transformations and realized that only 14% of companies succeeded in transforming themselves. We analyzed our failure, and one key lesson we learned is that we need to get out of the project-based mentality. As long as we remain stuck in the world, projects will compete with each other for resources instead of funding or focusing on the bigger picture. Our employees will focus on short-term deliverables versus analyzing the impact of their work in the long run. Our funding model will not incentivize long-term growth, nor will it enable us to thrive in our business. To help us successfully transform, I plan to fund digital products instead of funding individual projects or departments.
That sounds drastic. Do you have an example that demonstrates why you need to switch gears so dramatically?
Let's discuss a problem that bubbled up to me recently. We are launching a mobile application that uses AI to determine the loan eligibility of a customer. The application will analyze the customer's spending patterns and other habits to suggest a recommended loan amount. We want to enable customers to log on using biometric authentication. The project is facing some technical challenges and a few delays. The recommendation made by the project manager and our new product manager illustrate the difference between project and product management. Our project managers have highlighted all the key challenges that teams face and recommend we either delay the project or transfer an architect from another critical project. Our product manager had a different perspective. They want to release fingerprint authentication for all mobile authentication systems and facial recognition for iOS devices. They recommend we add facial recognition support in Android services in the next release. They emphasize that instead of treating application as a one-off project, we need to treat it as a continuously evolving digital product. This approach makes sense. We will always have constraints, and we need to figure out how to release in small increments.
Now that we've heard from Hedmora's CEO, let me tell you about challenges faced by other organizations who are in the midst of a transformation. One of the most common challenges we hear is organizational fatigue. The internal, often cumbersome processes in the organization actively resist changes. Another challenge is the lack of consistency of planning tools within the organization. People use everything from Excel sheets to customized dashboards. Hence, no one can track how investments match up to the organization's strategic plans. However, the most critical reason is the lack of communication between the leadership and executive teams. Employees need a clear roadmap of key initiatives against which they can map their activities. The executive team can review and approve the budget to make sure that the investments align with the strategic direction. While these challenges are daunting, they are not insurmountable. In the following videos, you will see how Hedmoral will use the digital product management capabilities of Clarity to transform themselves. Thank you for watching this video. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page.